Once upon a time, in the heart of North America, there existed a land of limitless opportunity and unparalleled diversity. It was a place where dreams were not just imagined, but realized with unwavering determination. This land was known as America. In America, the landscape stretched from the rugged Rocky Mountains to the vast plains of the Midwest, and from the sun-drenched beaches of California to the bustling streets of New York. Every corner of this great country had its own unique charm, attracting people of all walks of life to its shores. In the bustling city of New York, among the towering skyscrapers and bustling streets, there lived a young woman named Maya. Maya was a dreamer. Her heart was as big as the city itself. She came to America with her family as a young girl in search of a better life and prospect. From the moment Maya set foot on American soil, she was captivated by the energy and spirit of the land. She marveled at the diversity of its people, each with their own story and dreams to fulfill. Inspired by the limitless possibilities around her, Maya with passion and with determination, she set out to achieve her dream. Through hard work and determination, Maya continued her education while immersing herself in the vibrant culture of the city. She was drawn to the world of art and design, where her creativity knew no boundaries. Despite the challenges along the way, Maya refused to give up on her dream, knowing that in America anything is possible with perseverance and determination. As the years passed, Maya's talent and determination caught the attention of a famous fashion designer, who offered her a unique opportunity to showcase her work on the world stage. With trembling hands and a heart full of hope, Maya accepted the offer, knowing that this was her chance to prove herself. On the evening of the fashion show, as the lights dimmed and the music got louder, Maya's models took center stage, dazzling the audience with their beauty and elegance. In that moment, surrounded by the bright lights of the city she called home, Maya knew she had truly found her place in the world. But Maya's story was just one of millions that unfolded across the vast expanse of America. From the bustling streets of New York to the rolling hills of the heartland, every person who called America home had a story to tell, a dream to tell, which he strived to follow. And as the sun set on another day in America, the promise of tomorrow shone brightly on the horizon, beckoning all who dared to dream to follow their own piece of the American dream. After all, in America, the land of opportunity, anything is possible for those who have the courage to reach for the stars.